Welcome and welcome back to my channel. I'm Nat, a self-taught baker, and today I'll be showing you how to make a blueberry lemon loaf cake. This super moist cake with a hint of lemon and fresh blueberries will definitely keep you wanting more. So please, if you like content like this, please consider subscribing. Also hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I post. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So here go all the ingredients you need, and I'll make sure I leave everything down in the description box as well as at the end of the video. So the first thing we're going to do is add our 2 large eggs, and we're going to start whisking this. And today I'm using my KitchenAid Deluxe. My dad got it for me over the weekend. Thanks, Dad. Now as I'm mixing my eggs, I got it on stir, and then I'm just going to add my sugar so I can cream them together. Now we're going to be adding our vanilla extract to our wet mixture. Now we're going to add our butter. Now we're adding our lemon juice. And this is going to give it that lemon flavor. Now with our dry ingredients, we're going to add our flour. Now we're going to add our salt, our baking powder. Now we're just going to whisk everything together just so everything can be well combined. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients to our dry ingredients. Make sure we're doing this nice and slow and getting all of that out of the bowl. Now we're just going to stir everything all together until we get a cake batter consistency. Now we're going to add our lemon zest. And now we're going to add our fresh blueberries, which I had covered with some flour, just so that way they don't sink all the way to the bottom. Last but not least, we're going to add our milk. And now we're just going to give everything a good stir until everything is well combined. Now in our greased pan, we're going to add our batter. We're just going to shake the pan to make sure everything is nice and even. And then I'm going to place this in the oven on 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once out the oven, it should look nice and golden brown. So we're going to let this go ahead and chill, and we're going to start with our glaze. First thing first, we're going to add our butter. We're going to add some lemon juice. Now we're going to add some powdered sugar. We're going to add some vanilla extract. We're going to add the remainder of our lemon zest. Now we're going to put our mixer on stir, and we're just going to start combining all the ingredients. And at the same time, I'm going to add my cream cheese. Now that our loaf cake has cooled down, we're going to go ahead and pour over our glaze. And as you guys can see, it had the little specks of lemon zest. So now just for garnish, I'm just going to top it off with a little more lemon zest. And I decided to add some lemons and blueberries just so you guys can have an idea of what kind of cake it is. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to another video. I appreciate all the like, comments, and all my new subscribers. Until the next video, peace. And if you like content like this, please consider checking out this video.